everybody. Welcome to Diamond Paintings with Cat and Dogs. Helen here. Got a Diamond Art Club unboxing here. Nice size one. It is a square. It is an older kit, so it's not going to have all the new fancy stuff and all the new kits. Let's get this up here. It is called, let's see if I can get the glare out of here a little bit. Summer Sunset Fishing by Dominic Davison. It is a square, like I said. It is a 84 by 60 centimeters, and it is an older box, as you see. It does have a cue card here for 10% off. It tells you the context in the box, how to diamond paint, and there you go. Let's get into this box. Maybe. Okay. I'm going to cut the plastic off here so I could get into it easier. And apparently, the box doesn't want to open. There we go. We got a toolkit, which is the older toolkit, like I said. A sticker. And maybe. And then there we go. So this is what's in the box before I open up more. So here's the sticker for your logbook, or at the end of the box. It just counts how you're storing it. It's a Summer Sunset Fishing by Dominic Davison. Hopefully I said that right. It is a square. Okay, let's set this aside. The toolkits are pretty much all the same. So the only thing that's different is the washi tape and the cover binder. So there's your tweezers, your cover binder, your 4 and your 7. Some pretty washi tape. Ooh, I like that. Pretty. Your baggies, your pen, your wax, your squishy, which I give the squishies to my granddaughter so they can use them for their pencils for school, and your tray and your, I just went dumbfounded, spout lock cover. Okay, we're not going to get into that because I just went dumb. Nope. So here we have, excuse you, Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Nice thick bag to protect your painting. Let's get into this bad boy. Okay. Now, what do we have in this beauty? This one's got 72 colors. Look at that. That is so pretty. So pretty. Well, this one comes with 2 of your legend stickers. They're both exactly the same. They're all stickers. They both say the same here. Gives you the description, your start and end dates, picture of the drawing, all the information on the drawing. And we have 4 ABs in this one. And then your thank you. I'm not going to go through all of them. They're all the same. Now, if it was the newer kit, I would show you the new stuff, but that's not. So, nice and thick, perforated cover. Nice and sticky. Now, let's look at this canvas. First off, up here at the top. Yeah, because you guys can see that. Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. Okay, here. On the right side here is a legend. Down here in the corner is a picture area here. And information all about your diamond painting, showing you that it is a licensed drawing. All your information on the media. And your warranty, and another legend. Okay, so pretty, so pretty. Let's see how well, the work area is. It is very clear, easy to read, very nice. Got some ABs in here. Got a lot of ABs in there. Okay. Got a lot of ABs on this side too. Got a lot of ABs up in there. Wow. The window. Cool. Okay. Okay, so here we go. It tells you which painting these diamond paintings go to, the drills go to. Oh, yeah. Definitely not filling it. Okay, let's get these out of here and look. So we have a 300, a 700, 360, 3688, 722, 799, 936, and 936, 301, 3818, 3818, 3818, and 904s, 319s, 898, 782. Some very pretty greens, browns, and oranges. Got some pinks in there. Okay. Get the next set somehow. Okay, let's get to these drills. 3687, 161, 743, and we got a 130 AB here. Pretty yellows. That is number 3, and that is the ones that's down here, all through here. And some of the windows. Down here in the fire. Down here in the fire. Over here. Over here. Let's see. Okay, so let's go to the next one. 3863, 321, another AB 107, a pretty red, which is in the truck. Down here. Some right here. Some in the fire over here. Move you over a little so you can see over here in the fire some red. All of these reds are all ABs. Pretty. It's going to be pretty. And then 159, 3772, 3825, 744, 336, 890, 890. You got 2 of those greens. 3852. We have 2 of 826. 2 of 3838 and 3371. Got 2 strips left here. These are very little nips. 3853, 919, 920, 209. Some pretty purples. 3746, 3848. 3801, 317, 3721, 436, 156, 3765, 742, another AB 119, some pretty purples, which is find some. So we got Up in the Sky. Yep. Let's get this so you can see it. We got it up here in the sky and the clouds over here above the roof. Okay. 152, 760, 160, 3864, 3722, 3752. Okay, and our last group here is 550, 732, 938, 3776, 3354, 823, 3837, 554, 796, 315, 3041, 814, 3826, 741, 327, 498, 740, 939, 413, and our last AB. It's pretty. I love the whites. I just love that. Okay. So the whites here are all these spots here, all through here. Let's see. We got some down in here. The moon. Let's see, here through the house, some on the car. Over here, we got some. Okay. And that drawing is so big. Let's see if I can move you around so you can see it all. So pretty. I love doing cabins in the woods. Really pretty. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. It really does help me and Tolly. And see you later. Bye.